Tell me your name.
Ginger, Adrian, Flora.
How old are you?
4 years old.
4. Okay, face to your right. You look there. Okay. Look at the other side. Okay, you look there, baby. Okay. Face front. Do you know how to dance? Yes. Oh, what are you going to dance? What's your favorite dance? Justin Bieber. We don't have Justin Bieber here. We have Gentleman. You know that? Okay. Can you show me how you dance?
Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style.
Okay. Smile. To sing? Yes. Okay. What are you going to sing? Twinkle. Okay. Can you sing now?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above, oh so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Okay. Smile. And you're eating a burger. Okay? When I say action, you bite the burger. So yummy. Okay? Can you do that? Okay. Oh, go ahead and action.
Yummy.
Okay, one more. You have to smile. Okay? Do it again. Action.
Yummy.
Okay, let me see your smile. Okay, can you show me naman your sad face? Okay, can you say, Mommy, I'm hungry.
Mommy, I'm hungry.
Okay, just look at the camera. Again, action.
Mommy, I'm hungry.
Okay, smile.